Hi, tkviper here. Today we're looking at the dinner that I bought from the Yaoko supermarket. We have a pulled pork sandwich, some fried chicken with garlic pepper, some chugadon, which is Chinese food on top of rice, a bowl, and we got some poke dones, poke over rice, and a roast beef bowl, and a salad that I made. So let's check out the poke don, which is the Hawaiian version of the Japanese chirashi sushi. We got salmon, we got tuna, we got a poached egg, we got some scallops, and then a piece of lemon, and a piece of lettuce as well. So the sauce is basically soy sauce with wasabi plus some chili peppers, I think. That's the Hawaiian version. And it is quite good. And I think they have some sesame oil. I had this thing when I took a walk in the snow for about 3 hours. So I was really hungry, went in there for a break, and had this poke don. Don just means a bowl of rice. Alright, here's the egg. It is kind of half cooked. Not bad. And the last thing we're looking at is the pulled pork sandwich. The pulled pork itself is disappointing because it's not really pulled pork, it's just barbecue pork or chashu. We got lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and a lot of mustard. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.